are girls from Butere Girls. The actors in the play. Habari zenu? Nini imefanyika huko ndani?
Wigeta seni ya kisi Hot TV na kuariganiri na nda senchire ya bene nchenkoru kwa nyaputo Dennis gosena bogwancha onda ngeri kuntu. By the way, before I react to anything, kikigenderete igoro ya Butere Girls High School, ntekete turararigire some video clips kurwa chabe chiwa kwarekana kurumaragoba chinsa chamambia na bono iga kurwa ase county Nakuru ali ase school ya Melvin Jones primary school ase drama ya ata kerego korekana ya nationals. By the way, this is nationals Nakuru County, chere tu Nakuru County. Want CP all students. Let's watch. Relax, relax.
Atuwataka kuwajanganya askari.
Fungua dirisha.
Fungua dirisha. Fungua sema.
Imani ingia.
Okay. Musiende mbali na wengine, mkae pamoja. For your safety. Nini imefanyika huko ndani?
We can't refuse him.
We want our director.
We want our director.
We want to perform. It is our right to perform.
Can you please tell us what has happened inside there? Can you please tell us what has happened inside there?
We were harassed by the police.
What did they tell you?
They took us to stage with nothing. Nothing.
So when you got in there,
And we said we are not performing.
Yes.
Without our rights.
We are just mere high school
our
children.
rights.
What is happening? What is happening? We are not even nearly 16. We want our director.
No, where's Mr. Trump?
Where's Mr. Trump?
3 weeks. Where's Mr. Trump? 3
We
weeks.
want Mr.
We are not going back to Butere.
the girls are running. I don't know where they're going. Guys! The girls are running. The girls are running. I don't know what's happening. This is the situation as it stands. This is a school bus escorted by police, armed police officers, escorting girls. Yeah.
since yesterday night twabere tukutwara about drama. Other than drama yata kiri gokorekana aliasa school ya Melvin Jones Primary School Nationals cha 2025 the Butere Girls High School vabu atego sorie okwegia yali korukwanga Echoes of War. Echoes of War a script ose story yiga yarigetwe erikire na oyo kabere mo senator okakamega Cleophas Malala. Cleophas Malala is an author of this Echoes of War. This Echoes of War karawatika script yiga yachaketa from level 1 from sub-county, counties level, regionals, now yachire nationals. All the adjudicators, babaire abanafunzi babaire bagweta ba Butere Girls, amana Echoes of War, babaire bakubekiru amax more than 90%. Mbaka bekire now nationals. From nationals, they were heading to the State House. Let me say this. Echoes of War, it is not a first script Cleophas Malala abedega korika. Cleophas Malala is a script writer yet play chinyinge as a chiskuru. If I take you back to 2013, around the miaka ikomine moya erire, in the same school, Butere Girls, now I think 2013, those students, whatever corrected drama yo, that time, most of them, they are now voters. 2013, Cleophas Malala, aliandika another script to the school ya alikuwa kwanga Shackles of Doom. Shackles of Doom ikaba performed koru level 1, that is sub-county, division, sub-county, counties, regionals, nationals. Shackles of Doom, the same scenario happened today and yesterday, it happened that time. But that time, drama chinge nchare ngocho kuruta chitiagas. Iba atenenetiwe, awaku perform. The same school, a script yarikena Cleophas Malala, awaku perform. Who was the president by then? He was Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Who was his deputy? Dr. William Samuel Ruto. That is 2013. I was very young by that time. Now, 2025, the Butere Girls High School, the Echoes of War, they were supposed to perform that play today at Melvin Jones Primary, where nationals are taking place. But yesterday night, Mbanje ilibakore rehearsal. Cleophas Malala, who is the director, alitembea huko kuona vile shule wanaendelea kujipanga na leo. Lakini over 50 askaris wakamuteneni. Wakamutanga na ndaga tabanga akabwatwa. Akotabanga alikuwa amelala kwa police station ya El Lavin, according vile nimesikia. And hiyo ilikuwa jana. Today, the young girls wameenda stage kuperform, lakini wameboycott. Wamesema we are not going to perform until tumeona our director who is Cleophas Malala akiwa hapa ndio tu perform. Hiyo ikaanzia hapo. Wanafunzi wakatoka stage, wakatoroka, wakatoka nje ya shule. Kutoka nje wakakutana na wanafunzi wa shule zingine, pia the other students, drama students from other schools, wanting to perform their drama. Wote they declined to perform in support of Butere Girls. In most cases, when you are competing with somebody in terms like of getting some money or anything, mogo perform, mogo compete. Jirani yago, urmaro compete nere, either aruare, rusa se kinyanganyire ekyo, ekoba advantage asore, you will take that advantage to perform, egero tangane, honor those marks. But these young students, they declined. No never konyor advantage. You go perform because the competitors bairusiri. Ingekuwa vizuri kwa wabanyora marks aibaga the next level. Lakini wali decline to perform. We have seen residents from Nakuru County around Melvin Jones Primary. They have joined the Butere Girls students singing Ruto must go. Ruto must go! 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 This scenario, I can term it as a dictatorship. Dictator, being a dictator, I don't want to go that route. Let me say this. Some years ago, in this whole world, like we talk about like, for example, Idi Amin Dada of Uganda. You understand very well leadership ya na Kenya korete. If you go to DRC, we had a certain leader and other leaders. But we talk about chief dictator those years. Right now, talk about some history. Talk about he was a leader. Adekubata abantu ebiremo baita ando babeka egari mecha buruti oba Lake Victoria oba omorororo osangerire birema okorabuna ategete. So those kind of leaders taberi tokuba soma, not even us, even the coming generations, but soma those kind of leaders balenge okora those ebintu bunebyo kuchimotu gaiga inkinda tego kwana. I want to say something. So abarai baroro this 2025 abara imokora umwaka wa 2025 maka guchimutuga iga whatever ya kwerekanire asaba iskeba Butere Girls Drama Festival 2025 at Melvin Jones Primary School in Nakuru County. Yabere yarikirus, it is now an history. The generations chigo chichago chibotuga iga weika pachogote biwanga. Do you know what? When Dr. William Samuel Ruto, he was the president of the Republic of Kenya, the State for Education, Migoso Gamba, kila mtu in line with education, when Butere Girls wachite kuperform ekosodi okwegia negosodi okwegia lingo kwa about the current situation leadership of this country ekoroku Kenya. The script writer Cleophas Malala, he was arrested at night. Yeah? Chitiagasi chikarutwa inside a school at night. Students wakakani umbawe soko rehearse ekosodi okwegia. The following day awaku perform other schools. They declined to perform during that drama festival. Asengencho yaki intimidations chabana bakanitiwe mbabe sokoraki mbabe soko perform that play at the national level. Again, you remember the orders after abeskabe gaba baetete bagaenda nationals bachiko perform a play yeyega orders chikarua pav chikabatebi mbaba so chiko perform. Do you know what happened? It is court orders. They are performing wetera the masses of court orders. A court ekaena na chi order egata let them perform. So even the ones we are recruiting history. Even if it is 100 years, I want to tell you this. Hata kama tutakuwa tumekufa, hatutakuwa sisi hapa, wenye tutakuwa ni wengine. Mbateko soma that history. Even our great grandchildren, they are going to study this history. That Butere Girls, under the watch of a certain leader, they were declined their right to perform. I want to say this. Some people, this is using young girls for political mileage. There is no politics here at school. These young kids, you cannot use these young kids for politics. Let me say this. Abamogo tebanga Cleophas Malala agutumeka abana abaorokiwa korwani gosene serikali gosokwana mangana siasa. Ekermogo tumeka abanafunzi abaiga the same students. Mwabateri ga risikonga mwabateri let me use my name. Mwabateri siko mwatenga okay. Kuntu atawale Mirere, Kuntu ni kiongozi mzuri, Kuntu anomurai wabarai. Mwatumeka the some students batera about politics outside there. Batenga, batu murai yoyo. Mwa over 50 pop. Chio kugore nyama amandazi. So when the same students to show the party leadership, ethics and or whatever. Wengine wabere bago tenga Cleophas Malala is not a teacher. Tata kere kuancherwa kwena ne script yae ucha sabana baliwe school. kila mundu in this country he or she na wate a role ensemo ya kunyara. If Cleophas Malala karumu ya samwene kulika chi script chi play, give him opportunity. More opportunity. Let him write those scripts. Yes, you know what? Those in high school, ndo wate set books. Ukifika form 3 and form 4, we some a set book announce. Nero rochire comparison, nero rogo chora. Lakini a play, there are two, you must choose one. For example, during my time, mimi nilifanyanga Caucasian joke circle. Okay? Caucasian joke circle, it was all about politics, siasa in a certain country. The bad leadership in a certain country. Kikuja hadi kama hautakuwa na kizungu ya play ya kizungu, tuko na tamthilia ya Kiswahili. Yeah? For example, ndo wate mimi nilisomanga kitu inaitwa Mustahiki Meya. Maana Mustahiki alikuwa na anaongoza katika eneo fulani. Na alikuwa na daktari ambaye alikuwa anaitwa Daktari Siki. So sick, Daktari Siki, the doctor who is sick. Anyway, hizo vitu zote zilikuwa zinaonyesha the kind of leadership, the bad leadership in a certain region, area, country. Maana mtu anaambiwa hakuna madawa kwa hospitali. Anasema Daktari Siki anakuja anaambia Mustahiki, anamwambia Mustahiki, hospitali yetu ni nzuri sana. Yeah? Lakini ili hali ukiingia kwa hiyo hospitali hata anyway, sitaki kwenda hapo. Hiyo Mustahiki Meya kerikire na Dr. Timothy Arege. For example, right now nimwate kitabu ya kurukunga Fathers of Nations. Fathers of Nations, this is a school edition. Kerikire na Paul P. Vita. Kitabu ya kiga, it is approved. But if you read this book, it talks about 4 men. Wabate miaka wote kina 40, wa kwanza kuna 40s, 50s, 60s and 70s. They are meeting in a certain hotel, in a certain country. Hawajuani. Wengine wameboycott. There was a very, very, very special occasion. Yeah? They were boycott in a certain function in their country called Gambia. Si Gambia yenye mnajua, Gambia ya hii kitabu. So those kind of leadership, zikiandikwa kwa vitabu wanafunzi wakisoma, it doesn't mean that lazima mwalimu ndiye andike wasome. Mtu yeyote hata yeyote anaweza andika, as long as the script iko na content. So for those ones wanasema Cleophas Malala hafai kukua kwa shule kwa watoto, I want to remind you one thing. As part of mambo na masomo, part of education, calendar yeskuru, calendar yeskuru. Tawate drama, tawate music, tawate athletics, tawate football, tawate handball, netball, and volleyball, and many more. Most senior schools, advanced schools, national schools, chirichiwate financially stable. They can hire a coach who has the experience, professional coach, ulio konya wanafunzi abu to raise, nurture their talent. Okay? ndo bwate school chinyinge mune cheme pira. Those coaches bago coach school cheme pira chinyinge big schools like St. Anthony, the big school e wako mo pira e bwata bago sori arosira bago sori mo pira kuruororo. Go and check those coaches. Most of them bange mbari badimu. They are professional coaches ba work on chibes about that work. No wonder other schools chiko karabu ya asamangana athletics. We konya babwate a coach wama minyoko, a professional coach. Why? That coach is arororo to nurture the talent ya mwanafunzi oyo. You identify the talent. Whatever you are best as a goalkeeper. You do APCD. Obe goalkeeping gear. Okay? And now, let me say this. When Cleophas Malala is writing a script, is a coach. Anajua script muna konyerika, muna kocha abana funzi abega, the babe abagosari abayabo kwegia. So that, nantoko tuara, chi movie, at the end of the day, umano kakora ku act korugari, na acha akore and taking outside here. So, what I'm saying is this. There is no politics in this drama. Siasa teyo. Na wana siasa wata itekoreta siasa. It's because Cleophas Malala sijui oh. Let me ask you by the way. Last year anyway, tianara tigera gabu. Tine tu kwane vinte binge and to raise serious questions. Wacha saba anta bange. Tianara tigera gabu. Lakini remember one thing. You can intimidate the messenger. You can arrest the messenger. You can kill the messenger. But remember one thing. You cannot kill. You cannot intimidate. You can kill. You can intimidate the messenger. But you cannot kill. You cannot intimidate the message.